Congratulations, you have made it to our final week. So week 6, the last module. This week is the culminating week of everything that we've kind of been talking about and what you've been exploring up till now. So hopefully the assessments that we've used throughout the previous weeks have kind of geared you to a particular career industry or maybe just an idea. So this week I'm going to ask that you research one career of your choice. So you're going to use some of the tools that we've been using to do some of the research in the previous weeks. You're going to use these tools to research one career of your choice. So these 6 weeks, we've really just scratched the surface of career exploration. It's not nearly enough time to discover what you're going to do for the rest of your life. And really the reality is a lot of us will change careers a few times throughout our lifetime. But what I really want you to do, the purpose of this particular assignment is to give you the tools to let you know where to find the information that you need to make your best choice, and also the questions and the information you should be looking for as you are researching a career. So this will allow you to continue this research after this class, because it might be that you discover while you're researching a career that it's not going to be a good fit, which is great information to have. So I want you to continue this research, ask the right questions, know where to find the information to continue looking at different careers as you continue your time at College of Marin. So as we are kind of finishing this week and this project, please feel free to contact me via email. Email is your best bet. I'm also available by appointment in the counseling office. But good luck with your research paper. Let me know if you have any questions or problems along the way. And hopefully this will be a valuable assignment for you.